Hello guys, welcome back to Nano Dimension Technical Analysis. Now, last time we talked about it having a green day, which we did get a massive wick going up, touching above $7, and this morning in pre-market we did touch $7, which shown Weeble. So now the lines I have right now, the blue lines are my Weeble support and resistant lines. So we do have some at 673 and 613. So again, we got to talk about this. Okay, so offering is at $5. We cannot. Well, we have breached $5 yesterday, right? Yesterday we breached it, but we're holding strong above $6. That's why I have $6.13, which a couple minutes ago we tried to break it. So this is a trading range we're in. So there's uncertainty. So we can draw a downtrend line, roughly, let's just say right here, roughly right there, give or take. It could be up here. I don't really know where this wick is gonna knock off because we're knocking off that. So you could say that was overextended, an extra little buy, and then we hit it, dump, then we went above it, extended, then we dumped, we hit it, now we're dumping right now. So again, this is a classic bull pennant, I would say. So to measure the move, we have to go from right here to the breakout, which I really don't know, but we can justify it's right there. So I'm gonna go Control C, click here. Okay, we have another line. So depending on where we break out, if we say this is the line of breakout, our primary target will be 846. So we will blow past that. Probably, what's tomorrow? Yeah, tomorrow is the day we plan on breaking out. Now, there could be some down, which we could be still trading sideways. Again, this measure move isn't finished yet because we could also say the line goes down there. It just, there's no other support besides 613. Which again, volume is at 20 million, and according to TradingView, average volume is 30 million. But you go to Weeble, let's see. Weeble average volume is, where is it at? I don't see it. I don't know. Let me check my phone real fast. I think average volume was 15 million on Weeble. Let's check it out real fast. NNDM. Yeah, so Weeble's showing a $15 million average volume. So again, TradingView and Weeble and Google and all that, market caps are completely different, volumes are completely different. So one theory that I can say, so we know the NNDM price target, so we're gonna just Google it, NNDM price target. Okay, we're gonna just Google it fast. NNDM price target, I think it's $8. $8. Yeah, price target is, well, this is just Weeble technical analysis. Can't find it. Well, it's $8. You can look it up. I think it's on Weeble. Weeble shows it as $8 is a price target. Again, so we're trading sideways, downtrend line. And so they know we're going to break $8. So they want to get us high enough, hopium, and all that, so they can trade this range. And so eventually we can just blow past through it. It's just my opinion. And then so, yeah, so RSI, we're trading sideways and we're staying above 87.75. It's pretty good. Now, remember that dump right there? We went below it. We tried to test it right here during that dump, and right now we are staying above it. We had a pullback because we were overbought. So this is honestly a really healthy graph on the hourly. Now let's go to the 5-minute chart, see what it tells us, because these stocks trade. The stock is so volatile. You got to go in the smaller time frame. So right now we are testing 47.75. Now see, we dipped below it right there, went to oversold, and then we pumped back up, went to overbought, and now we're testing it, seeing where the move is going to be. Personally, I still think we're going to just trade sideways. It's just going to get tighter and tighter as we go down. Oh, wait. So let's see. We can just pull and move this line right here. Where does it go now? Okay, 843. That's price target. It's pretty interesting. So offering closes tomorrow after market. So we really won't know the after effect until Thursday. And here's the thing. The question is, after this offering closes, when are we going to get news of the buyout? Is it going to be a week or so? Have they been buying this entire time? Because we've seen massive inflow of volume. This volume over here is more massive than the pass. Besides this one right here, the dump. So there are exclusive, a lot of buyers coming in this low range. So I personally think they're buying right here in small amounts. And that's why we're seeing volume drop today. Yesterday it was at like 54 million. Today we're at like 20, 21. So we do have massive upside potential. The short term on the 5-minute chart, MACD is bearish. On the hourly, it is relatively bearish. So we could dip lower. We could close the day below 630. So we'll close in like 620, 610, in my opinion. So another thing I want to talk about, ARK Investment. This is the big player in nano dimension. Besides that investment firm we talked about yesterday. But yesterday, during the drop, I guess you would say, it'd be the 30th during this drop. ARK Investment bought 50 million more shares, and the day before that, where's nano dimension? Yeah, they bought 50,000 more shares, and then the day before they bought like 10,000. See, we are hitting ARK's buy area in small amounts. Now it's only 1.99. It's still higher than the other company we talked about. Let's see, Virgin Galactic. It looks like they've been selling Virgin Galactic. It used to be way up here. Let's see, are they taking BYD? Yeah, there's not much more to say about them. So again, closing below probably in the 620, 610 range, or high teens is more likely. I don't think we're going to close below 613. Aftermarkets, looking at the aftermarkets, we could go as low as 603. So I don't know if you want to trade that, but 603 seems like a decent range. If someone just market dumps it, doesn't want to hold after offering, but I don't know. But that's pretty much it. Let's check out Bitcoin. Bitcoin is okay. Bitcoin officially hit all-time highs on Coinbase. This is a 5-minute chart. Was it yesterday? Yeah, the day before, people are saying it hit all-time highs. On Coinbase, it did not hit all-time highs. All-time highs was a little up here, but it did hit all-time highs today, which is good for Bitcoin, I guess. And so Bitcoin's getting a little more volatile because we touched it. We touched all-time highs. Someone bought all-time highs today. So we got to think about where's Bitcoin's next move. Okay, it's super volatile. I really don't want to predict it. Oh, my bad. I really don't want to predict where Bitcoin's going to go. Because, again, Bitcoin could drop pretty heavily. And could wipe out. Like, look at ARK. ARK is just mooning right now. From the $2 range we talked about, literally penny stock. If you got in when we were talking about our, let's say right here, up here, you made a 251% return. Again, that's a lot, but not a lot to smaller caps. And again, Riot is a small cap, so I think they're worth probably $1 billion probably now. I don't know. You got huge buyers coming in when Bitcoin pumped. So literally, let's go to the 5-minute chart. I don't know if 5-minute chart's gonna help us at all. Okay, so 5-minute chart, we are overbought, but we have a downtrend line since we hit all-time highs. Just haven't hit 20K yet, which is crazy. Honestly, no, I don't think that's gonna work because that's too volatile. We gotta go here. Gotta figure out what's overextended. So if this is it, okay. Let's see what level we have to break. We have to break. All right, so it's 19,810. We get a massive move past that, and Bitcoin's gonna go to like fucking $25, 25,000. So you get the 20,000 mark, you're gonna have extreme FOMO come in, which is scary. But right now we got support at this level. Since we touched it, don't touched it, touch it. So I recommend that, personally, I'm not buying any more Bitcoin right now. I'm holding off until it passes 20K. There's just no point of jumping in the market right now. You need to have someone want to buy going to 20K. There has to be a reason to go to 20K. Is there a reason right now? Well, the DXY is probably the most popular reason why Bitcoin will go to 20K right now. It has blown past all of our lines. So it is dumping pretty massively, and Bitcoin's having a major bull run. Same with the stock market. You can literally buy any stock right now. Look at Amazon. Amazon's going sideways, but let's go to the hourly. It's still up. I think Apple's a better scenario. Apple's up. Even Guinness. Oh fuck. Yeah, right here. See? Even Guinness is up. Again, this is a penny stock, so it could be anything. EV stocks. The stock's amazing. This used to be like $9 a share. Now it's fucking 37. Nikola's dropping. I think everybody knows the news on Nikola, and it's continuing going to drop. If you do buy, next target is $13.95. After that, your next buy-in would be, I'm just gonna wing it, probably right there at 11.09. And I think I would be a buyer at 11.09, despite what Nikola has done. Their market cap is still it's billions. Oh my god! But again, $11, I would be a buyer, or maybe $9. I don't know. $9. It's lower than that. It's as low as it's gonna go. It's nuts. The stock used to be worth like $90. Goddamn. But $11, I'll be a buyer. $13.95. I don't know. Tossing some money into that range. You might have a bounce. But right now, no man's land. If you're our bull right now, you're looking for a close above 1851. Why is 1851? Well, because it's around here, then it's right here. It's where significant confluence is. Tesla keeps going, keeps mooning. Broke through. Well, I don't know. This is probably old. I haven't done much charting on it. Spirit is going up. Cruise line's going up. Maxar. I think Maxar's just going sideways. Oh wow. So it broke the uptrend line. That's interesting. I might buy some puts. Buy some puts on Maxar. How much are they going for? Let me check. Go for puts. Oh wait. Where is? I want to see how much the $20 puts are. They're cheap. I'm buying Maxar. Where would I buy? How many days was that? Well, it's a month out. You gotta buy a month out. What the hell? Buy put. Ooh, it's really cheap. $20 put's really cheap. You know what? Fuck it. I'll buy one $20 put. Spin a deposit. I don't know. 35 bucks. Okay, I bought the $20 put. It looks pretty bad. It broke because it's in this downtrend line, and then it popped up, then it dumped. Again, we broke the downtrend line right there. Could go up, but 30-31, it's a month out. I got like till January, so I got way out here till it moves. So it's a long term. Look, NNDM below 30. Now I guess this is the top for space. So if you're bull, I would say this line. You can buy the put for $22.45. Yeah, $22.45. ISRG. Man, broke all-time highs. When did it do? 9:20. Wow, it's down. This is Spirit Aerosystems. This is the space version of Boeing. It literally goes 1-to-1 to Boeing, maybe a little less. Boeing is doing awesome, and so is Spirit Aerosystems. So if you like the space sector, I recommend buying Spirit. Now looking at it is at their 50 EMA, which is quite bullish. Unless there's bearish news that comes out with Boeing, I would buy calls for Spirit Aerosystems. That's pretty much it. Let's look at the Dow. The Dow was having a bad pre-market, but it suddenly popped up. But now it's pulling back, giving back some gains today. Not much. Again, it's super risky. But that's pretty much it. So far, we are in a bullish formation on Nano Dimensions. Again, we do not know where the major support line is besides 613. We did dip below that, so you could say maybe have a small little buy around. Around 605 for aftermarket. But that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out.